Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get construction jobs in the UK. The construction industry is a vital part of the UK economy, offering numerous opportunities. Many major contractors require a CSCS card, which proves your health and safety knowledge. This card is your entry ticket to most sites, demonstrating your competence and commitment to safety. Starting as a laborer is a common path, providing valuable on-site experience and a foundation for growth. To advance, consider gaining formal qualifications. National Vocational Qualifications, or NVQ, are crucial for demonstrating your expertise in specific trades like carpentry or bricklaying. Apprenticeships are an excellent route, allowing you to earn a wage while learning practical skills and achieving a nationally recognized qualification. For roles involving heavy machinery, such as excavators, specific certifications like CPCS or NPORS cards are absolutely necessary for safe operation. Finding the right job involves strategic searching. Online platforms like Construction Job Board and the Construction Index are excellent resources. Specialist recruitment agencies can also connect you with suitable employers. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Attending industry events and connecting with professionals can open doors. Always customize your application documents to highlight relevant skills and experience for each role, making a strong first impression. The UK construction sector offers significant career progression. With experience, you can move from a laborer to a skilled tradesperson or even a site supervisor or project manager. Many companies offer internal training and development programs. Exploring specialized fields, such as sustainable building practices or digital construction, can also enhance your long-term career prospects. The industry values continuous learning and professional growth, providing many avenues for advancement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.